Are you about ready, Warren? Oh, Warren, classic last ready. Oh, sick packing. Fuck, everything is busted in the back.
Taking my sound. Yo, worst camping trip ever.
This is our campsite.
My best camping trip ever.
It is pretty bad. We're not allowed to have a fire. That pretty much ruins all the warmth and fun. And we can't have anything in the grill, so we can't cook our hot dogs. And this was $35 camp beer.
Hungry.
Hey, but the beer's cold.
Beer's ice cold, cold as the Rockies.
Here's where I'll be charging my phone tonight. Because I need to.
Nice little power station. And the most beautiful view of them all. The road is right down there. It's lovely.
That white noise.
Yeah.
It's like, I can't fall asleep without like the sound of a highway.
Mm-hmm.
And
keep it secret.
got a good fire going.
Smoking the hot dogs down. Game classic.